One of the content creators na feeling ko dapat patuloy na suportahan ng mga tao is itong si Christopher Diwata. Si What Happened Vela, Vampire Right. Nakalagay dito sa content ng spot.ph. Vampire is not forever, so Christopher Diwata is riding the waves as long as he can. So sabi niya dito, uubusin ko brand sa Manila, wag lang sugal. So kung manonotice nyo sa TikTok, marami talaga mga brands na nagpo-partner ngayon kay Christopher Diwata, kay What Happened Vela. Kasi effective talaga yung tagline niya. Pero totoo rin na may point in time na of course magsasawa yung tao and mag-iisip ng bagong content. Kasi alam mo naman na napaka-short ng attention span ng mga tao. Pero natutuwa ako dito kay What Happened Vela is that, alam mo yun, nandoon yung provider mindset niya. Ginagawa niya to para sa mag-iina niya, sa pamilya niya, at ang refreshing makakita ng isang tao na mahal niya talaga yung asawa niya at yung mga anak niya. At siya talaga yung tumatayong haligi, tatay talaga. That energy, it's so refreshing to see that in the sea of negativity na nakikita natin. So, I pray na patuloy nga na gumanda yung karera niya. Nakita ko rin yung trailer ng Batang Riles at nakita ko doon, talagang alam mo yon, nakikita mo doon yung grit niya, na nag-ensayo siya at nagpunta siya doon. Matagal niya tong pinangarap, and when he was given a chance, talagang yung acting skills niya ni-level up niya. So, alam mo yon, may future. I also love the fact that marami namang gambling brands out there pero hindi siya nagpadala doon to say this statement, wag lang sugal. You can see that this man has the proper mindset. Just imagine if yung mga tatay, yung mga kuya natin is iniisip nila yung kapakanan ng mga mahal nila sa buhay. At kung meron talaga silang good relationship with the Lord, alam mo yun, maraming mga pamilya ang maaayos. So, isa sa mga very ina-admire ko rin na group is SB19. So, nakita ko yung collaboration ni What Happened Vela, ni Christopher Diwata with SB19. Nakakatuwa, no? Kasi parehos sila. This Pinoy groups, content creators and artists are very humble. Makikita mo sa kanila that they credit, itong SB19, credit their success to the Lord Jesus Christ. That's why they are continuously blessed. So, itong si Christopher Diwata, I pray that tuloy-tuloy na maging successful siya, na alam mo yun, yung paninindigan na yun, alam mo yun, sana anchored in the Lord, na alam ko mahirap to say this statement. So, I felt that I need to create a content to back him up because it's so gutsy, alam mo yan. Ang ganda ng prinsipyo ng tao na ito sa buhay in this industry. So, may he be given more chances. And natuwa pa ako nung ginawa niya yung kumanta siya ng mapa ng SB19, remembering his mother. And alam mo yun, kapag may mga groups talaga na gumagawa ng kanta to honor their father and their mother and their parents, alam mo yun, magandang values yung nakikita natin. So, I know while there are negatives or evils in the world, there are also many refreshing content creators out there that make us smile. So, let's not mind kung tuloy-tuloy yung paggawa ni What Happened Vela o Vampire Right ng kanyang mga content. Kasi para ito, for a good reason actually, dahil mahal niya yung pamilya niya, mahal niya yung asawa niya, mahal yung anak niya. And ang prayer ko is, Christopher Diwata, I don't know kung mababrowse mo to, malaki ang admiration ko for you. At pinagpipray ko na patuloy ka maging humble. At yun nga, na hindi ka magamit ng mga mapagsamantala. The only way to do this is to really have a good relationship with the Lord. And to, alam mo yun, yung kapag alam mo talaga yung goal mo sa buhay and you are clear on that. So, while maraming mga challenges and trials and temptations in the entertainment industry for as long as hindi mo makakalimutan kung ano yung goal mo, saan ka nagsimula, marami pang blessings yung darating sa'yo. So, I pray the same success for all the celebrities who are very firm na hindi mag-promote ng sugal. Kagaya nila Aloja Goseng Fiao. You are really standing up for what is right, and in a world na kailangan talaga ng ilaw. Salamat sa mga content creators and celebrities who shine light. And that's it. God bless. What happened, Bella Vampire.